You can see the reverse lights are on. That's because our auto flasher module on the reverse circuit is tied into flood. Now the tail light ring is on right now just because the parking lights are on. Now when I hit the OEM flash and we add in some of the OEM lights, have you noticed now that the parking lights in the back working perfectly normal, no issues, reverse lights work normal, but when we hit the OEM flash and activate those auto flasher modules, you can see what we've activated is the cargo light, the tail light ring, and the reverse light. All requested specifically by the customer. His actual terminology was flash every single light on the truck that you can. So we went with all of our kits here. We've got our tail light kit synchronized and alternating with our reverse kit, and we've got our cargo kit. So what you're seeing in the back here is 3 auto flasher kits. And you can see we have a nice X pattern on the tail light reverse light combination.